the side of the road with a free sign on it. It was a little torn up, a little broken. I took it home, I repaired it, I put nails in it and sanded it and painted it purple. The girls loved it. They used it for a couple years. The nails was not a good idea. They kept coming out. I'd get a hammer occasionally and repair it and hit the nails back in. But after a while, I got tired of messing with it, so I threw it in the shop for Michael to fix, and then it just got buried. So it was buried for a couple years, and I just found it the other day, pulled it out, tore it all apart, took the nails out, decided to do screws this time. So I disassembled it, took all the nails out. Filled the holes, sanded it, painted it, and now it's white. And just as good, a lot more sturdy with screws versus nails, and I don't think it's going to come apart this time. And the girls are pretty happy. They were missing their bench. They really liked it. So yeah, that's the story behind the free bench on the side of the road.